Hi children, good morning. Today I am going to teach English Class 1, Term 1, Unit 2. The title of the lesson is Playtime. Valli, say good morning to the children. Good morning. Valli, smile and say, look at the children, they are very happy to see you. Smile and say good morning to them. Good morning. What happened to you, Valli? Why are you looking sad? What is the problem? Tell louder. Smile and say good morning. Valli, I am very angry with you. Why don't you smile and say what happened to you? What's your problem? Tell me, let me solve. I want to play. You are not playing with me. Oh, you want to play. You want me to play with you. Very good. I'll come with you. Shall we go to the playground? Valli, do you want to play? Okay, very good. Shall we go to the playground? Playground? What is the playground? Never I have been to a playground. Oh, playground is new to you. Never you have been to your playground. Okay, today I'll take you to the playground. Okay, in the playground you can see swings. Swing? Joy. I like swings very much. Oh, you know swing very much. Already you have played in swing. Very good. What does a swing do, you know? I forgot. Oh, swing goes up and down. Tell me, swing goes up and down. Okay, so look at the screen. Here you can see the picture of the swing. Okay, Valli, children, all of you, not only to Valli, all of you look at the screen. Here you can see a beautiful swing. What does a swing do? It moves, it goes up and down. Okay, swing goes up and down. In the parks you can see swings, and in the playground also you can see swings. And not only in the park, in your school also you may have swings. Very good. What else you can see there? Valli, we can play kite also in the playground. Do you know kite? No, never I have seen a kite. You never have seen a kite. Why? It's common to all. See, look at the screen. This is the kite. Yes, I have played kite, but I don't know the name. Wow, very good. Children, see Valli, she knows kite. She has played with the kite, but she doesn't know the name of the kite. What a fun! Very good. See, look at the screen. This is the kite. Okay, children, all of you repeat after me. Kite. Say all of you. Kite. Very good. Kite. Okay. Ma'am, shall I take my top to the playground? What, Valli? I couldn't understand what you are speaking. Shall I take my top there? I can't understand, Valli. Shall I take my top there? Sorry, Valli. I couldn't hear you properly. How many times I am telling? Sorry, Valli. For my sake, only one time will you say? Shall I take my top there? Oh, top, you're saying. Very good. You know how to play top? Yes, I know. See, Valli, when you say words, you have to pronounce it correctly and beautifully so that others can understand your speech. Okay. See, T-O-P is top. Say all of you. Valli, you too. Top. Very good. Top. Children, all of you say T-O-P is top. When you say top, your lip also should be in O position. Okay. Say all of you top. Very good. Valli, before going to the playground, I want to teach you some words which we are going to see on our way. Okay? Have you understood clearly? I am going to teach some words which we are going to see on our way. Okay? Ready? Yes, I'm ready. Very good. See the first thing. Tank. The first word is tank. All of you say tank. Very good. Valli, you also say tank. Very good. In the tank, they store water. Okay, water to drink. Okay. So, tank is a building in which we store water. Okay. Tank. Say all of you, tank. You also might have seen tanks in villages, isn't it? Very good. Have you seen? Say yes or no. Yes, I have seen. Very good. The next word is sky. Say all of you, sky. Very good. Valli, say louder. Sky. Very good. What is the color of the sky? Do you know, Valli? I don't know. Okay. The color of the sky is blue. Say blue. Very good. You all might have seen sky. Very good. Valli, look at the screen. Who is there? I don't know. Don't you know? This is a girl. What is the meaning of a girl? Valli, you are a girl. Okay. Say girl. Girl. Very good. Girl. All of you say, children. Girl. Very good. Girl. Very good. All of you look at the screen. What is there? This is a bench. You all might have seen benches. What is the use of a bench? We use benches to sit. Okay. Very good. Bench. Say all of you. Bench. Very good. Bench. Children, all of you look at the screen. What picture is this? You all might have seen this very well. If you go out of your house, otherwise in your house, you might have seen these pictures, isn't it? What is this? This is a tree. Say all of you, tree. Valli, say this. Tree. Very good. Tree. Tree gives us shade and it gives us cool breeze also. Okay. So, what is this? Tree. Very good. The next one. Wow, I like this very much. What is this? Children, what is this? This is a dog. Say all of you. Dog. Valli, what is this? Dog. Very good. The dog barks, isn't it? When strangers come to your home, it makes noise. How does it make noise? Very good. So, this is a dog. Say all of you. This is not dog. This is dog. Say all of you. Dog. When you pronounce dog, your lips should be in O shape. Okay. Dog. Very good. The next picture is cloud. Say all of you. Clouds. Valli, have you seen clouds? Yes, I have seen. Very good. Where did you see, Valli? In the sky. Very good. Valli is very good. And she is right. Valli has seen clouds in the sky. Children, you too might have seen clouds in the sky. Okay. Valli, in which season you have seen more clouds on the sky? In Very good. Valli is pakka brilliant. See, we can see clouds, more clouds in the sky during the rainy season. Okay. Before rain comes, there are many clouds in the sky. Very good, children. Clouds. Repeat after me. Clouds. Very good. Wow. What is this? Valli, can you say this? Sun. Very good. Sun. You all might have seen sun in the sky. Okay. The sun is very bright and it gives light to us, isn't it? What is the color of the sun? Don't you know? Valli, do you know the color of the sun? No, I don't know. Valli doesn't know the color of the sun. Shall I teach you? The color of the sun is yellow. Say all of you. Yellow. The sun is in yellow color. Okay. Sun. Repeat after me. Very good. Sun. Okay. What's this, children? Gate. You're right. But you have to pronounce it as gate. Not gate. Gate. Say all of you, children. Gate. Very good. Gate. Valli, can you repeat? Gate. Very good. You are wonderful. Gate. Very good. What's this, children? Van. Very good. You all might have seen van, isn't it? Have you all traveled in the van? Wow. Very good. You all have traveled in the van, isn't it? So this is called van. Tell van. Very good. How many tires does the van have? The van has 4 tires. Okay. How many tires? 4 tires. Very good. I like balloons very much. Wow, Valli, you are very happy on seeing the balloons? Yes, I like balloons very much. Very good. See how many balloons are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balloons are there. Very good. Wonderful. But I don't see the black colored balloon. Valli, you are very naughty. You want to see black color balloon? In the next class, I'll show you a black color balloon, okay? Until then, you have to keep quiet. What's this, children? Valli, can you say? Ball. This is not ball. Ball. Say all of you. Ball. We should not say ball. Okay. Ball. Say all of you, children. Repeat after me. Ball. Very good. Ball. Very good. Children, what picture is this? You all might have seen this picture. What is this? Very good. This is a bicycle. Say all of you. Bicycle. We should not pronounce it as bicycle. Okay. This is bicycle. Say all of you. Very good. Bicycle. Wow. Very good. Valli, can you tell me? Bicycle. Very good. Bicycle is the correct pronunciation. Very good. What's this, children? These are marbles. Okay. In the village side, boys play with marbles. Okay. You all might have seen. Marbles. Say all of you. Marbles. There are many colors of marbles are there, isn't it? There are many colors of marbles here. Okay. Very good. Marbles. Say all of you. Marbles. Good. Wow. What's this? Valli, do you know? Yes, I have played this game, but I don't know the name of the game. Very good. Valli has played this game, but she doesn't know the name of the game. Can anyone guess the name of this game? Wow, this is hopscotch. All of you, hopscotch. Repeat after me. Hopscotch. Again I tell you, when you pronounce the word hop, your lip also should be in round position. Okay. Say all of you, hopscotch. Valli, can you say? Hopscotch. Very good. Valli is correct. What is this, children? You all like very much, I think. What's this? Can you tell me? This is ladder and slide. Say all of you, ladder and slide. Valli, can you tell? Ladder and slide. Very good. In one side, there is a ladder which is used for climbing up. And in the other side, there is a slide to go down. Okay. Children, I think you all know and you all have played with ladder and slide. Okay. So, in the left side, ladder is there, and in the right side, the slide is there. Okay. So, ladder is for climbing up and slide is for coming down. Say all of you, ladder and slide. Very good. Repeat after me, ladder and slide. You should not say ladder. Okay. Ladder. Say all of you, ladder and slide. The final O should not be pronounced. Okay. Ladder and slide. Very good. Valli, I think you are very tired after hearing many words. Now, shall we relax ourselves? Yes. What are you going to do? See, the children, they are also very tired. Okay. So, we are going to relax ourselves by doing some exercises. Okay. Shall we do? Are you ready? Superb. Now, we are going to do some exercises. Children, will you all stand up? All of you stand up from your position. Stand up. Very good. Now, when I say clap your hands, you have to clap your hands. Okay. Clap. Very good. Clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All of you clap once again. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Very good. Now, you are going to stamp your feet. Okay. Stamping means you have to take your leg up and down. Okay. Children, stamp. What is the meaning of stamp? When I say stamp, you have to move your leg up and down. Okay. See here. This is only stamp. Okay. Stamp. Very good. Next, bend. All of you bend. See Valli, how she has bent? Beautifully she has bent. Very good. When I say stretch, you have to get up. Okay. Stretch. Wow. Very good. Bend. Stretch. Bend. Stretch. Wow. Very good. Valli is doing beautifully. And you too, children. Very good. Once again, bend. Stretch. Very good. And now, turn around. Okay, say all of you, turn around. Okay, when I say turn around, you have to take a full U-turn. Okay, you have to turn around. Okay, look here, see how Valli does. Valli, turn around. Okay, now Valli has turned around. Okay, once again, turn around. Very good. This is only turning around. Okay. Very good. Children, next turn about. Okay. Earlier we studied turn around and this is turn about. Okay. When I say turn about, you have to move your face to the opposite direction. Okay. See how Valli does. Valli, turn about. Again turn about. Okay, children, have you seen how Valli does? Valli, once again turn about. Again turn about. Very good. All of you clap for Valli. She is doing beautifully. Okay. So now children, will you all turn about? Wow. Very good. Children, the next exercise is skipping. Okay. When I say skip, you have to do action like this. Okay. Skipping. Okay. Skip, all of you. Wow. Beautiful. The next command is run. All of you run. Run in your place. Run on the spot. Wow. Very good. Now, using all the commands, we are going to sing a rhyme. Do you like a rhyme? Very good. Shall we sing a rhyme? First, let me sing, and after me, you are going to sing. Okay? Very good. I have a doubt. Valli, do you have a doubt? Why don't you ask me? Ask me your doubt. Let me clear. Do animals play? Wow! A big doubt for Valli. She is asking whether animals will play or not. Children, do animals play? Yes, they play, definitely. Valli, animals also play like us. Are you sure? Yes, definitely. I know a story about animals playing. Shall I tell you? Jolly, jolly. I like stories very much. Very good, children. Now I am going to tell you a small story about animals playing. Okay? Are you ready to hear? Wow, very good. One day, some dogs were playing cricket. Okay? Children, I think you all like cricket very much, isn't it? Okay. A rat came there and the rat wants to join. So, the rat went to the dog and asked a question. Dog, may I play with you? But the dog said, no, the game has started already and you are very late. Sorry dear, you can't join. Then the rat wants to join in some game. So it approached a rabbit. Okay, it came to a rabbit. What was the rabbit doing there? The rabbit was flying a kite. So the cat wants to join the rabbit. Okay, so the rat went to the rat went to the rabbit and asked, Rat, may I fly your kite? But the rabbit said, No, because I have only one kite. How can I give my only kite to you? The rat was very sad. So it went to the monkey side. It saw some monkeys. They were swinging on the tree. Okay. So the rat wants to join with the monkeys. So the rat came to the monkey and asked, Monkey, monkey, may I play with you? But the monkey said, No, you can't. You can't swing like me. The rat felt very sad. The rat was very sad. It began to build a sand castle. Okay. Now all the animals looked at the rat. They too wanted to build the sand castle like the rat. So the monkey went there. The monkey went to the rat and he asked, Rat, shall we join you? So the monkey told, Okay, come on, all of you come with me and join me. Let's play together. The rat was very happy to play with them all. Do you like the story, Valli? Very much. I like it very much. Very good. Children, I hope you all might have enjoyed this story and this session too. I thank you all for staying with me for the first session. Thank you. Thank you, children. Bye.